In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Chrome notifications. If those little pop-ups in the corner of your screen keep interrupting your flow, this quick walkthrough will help you quiet them in just a few clicks. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look at the top right corner of the browser window for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click that, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings page, glance over to the left-hand sidebar and select Privacy and Security. This section controls what sites can do and what information they can use. Next, open Site Settings. Scroll down until you see the Permissions section and click Notifications. Think of this page as the control center for all of Chrome's notification behavior. If you want complete peace and don't want websites to ping you at all, choose Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications. With this option, Chrome will block notification requests outright, so you won't see those prompts or the pop-ups that follow. If you prefer a softer approach, select Use Quieter Messaging. This reduces interruptions by keeping requests subtle, so you'll only see a small, less intrusive indicator instead of a full prompt. Sometimes the problem is just one or two sites that are already allowed and sending alerts. To stop a specific site, stay on the same notifications page and scroll to your allowed list. Find the site that's been bothering you, click the three dots next to its name, and choose Remove. That takes the site off the allowed list so it can't keep sending notifications. If you ever change your mind, you can visit the site again and re-allow notifications later. Quieter messaging is handy for keeping essential alerts from trusted services like calendars or project tools while cutting down on interruptions. And remember, removing a site from the allowed list doesn't affect your account with that site or erase any data. It simply stops Chrome from showing its notifications until you decide otherwise. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind as you adjust these settings. The layout might look slightly different depending on your Chrome version, but the path and options are the same. These changes affect Chrome's website notifications. Other apps or system-level alerts are managed elsewhere. And if you use multiple Chrome profiles, you'll want to review these settings in each profile where you receive notifications. That's it. You've just taken control of Chrome's alerts and set things the way you like them. Enjoy your distraction-free browsing, and feel free to revisit this page anytime to tweak your preferences as your needs change. You're all set.